In this video, we're going to go over setting up folders inside of your Google Drive. To get to your Google Drive, first make sure you've signed in. After you've signed in to your account, switch to your Google Drive. Once you've entered your Google Drive account, it's going to be pretty straightforward. You're going to look for this icon at the very top, and you will use this throughout this video to create new folders. This will allow us to organize all our content for the entire year. If you have something in your drive right now, as in this example, we'll be able to move this into one of the folders. Go ahead and create a new folder by pressing the new folder icon. And the first folder you will be creating is the 2012-2013 folder. If this is a new year, make sure you create the appropriate year to represent your entire year as a freshman. So in this case, the school year starts in 2012 and it'll end in 2013. Press create. After pressing create, your screen should flash a little bit and you should be looking at a blank screen here, an empty screen. That's because we're currently inside of the 2011-2013 folder. To prove that to you, let's go back and click on My Drive. This will allow us to come back to our root folder, meaning where everything originally is. You can also navigate on the left hand side by clicking on 2012-2013. I'm going to go back again by clicking on My Drive, or you can click on this folder. So there's a couple of ways to enter and go inside of folders. Let me go back to My Drive. Another thing I'd like to point out is how easy it is to move items into folders. So in this case, if I wanted to move this document into 2011-2012, I just need to click on it and then drag it and then make sure that I drop it when it has a little highlighted shade over the folder name. So I will drop it in there and I get a message up here that that document was moved to the 2012-2013 folder. You're going to go ahead and create the folders for a couple of your classes. We're going to do the ECS class. We're going to leave, go back to the 2012-13 folder, create one for English, leave, create one for math, leave, create one for science. We're only going to do those as examples for right now. Let's go back here. Obviously today we're focused on the materials for our course. So let's go ahead and drag this item into that folder. And let's go ahead and enter our ECS folder. And within here we want to make sure our projects, assignments, those kind of things are organized. So let's go ahead and create a folder here. The first one will be for journals. Let's go back. The next one will be for our ePortfolio. Let's go back, and then we will create one for our computer purchase project. Notice the way I write the names. I have no spaces, but I have the first letter of the next phrase capitalized. This is known as camel notation, like a camel that walks around in the desert drinking water. It has little humps. You can use that as a strategy. That way it avoids you using spaces or underscores, but it's up to you. Let's go ahead and create and go back to ECS. Okay, with these items completed, we're going to go ahead and drag this document where it belongs, which is in the journals. I will drop it in there. So now we have a drive that is much more organized, and as you add new projects, you will create those new folders and organize them in the correct place. This will make it easier for you to find those assignments and projects when you need them, and when you turn them in, you can find them much quicker. So keep that in mind. Make sure you create the necessary folders to organize all of your stuff and so that it's in a place that you can quickly find it. I hope this helped. Make sure you set up yours, and we'll see you soon in the next video.